The Vignoble de Rhuys wine storehouse stands at 23 Rue des Trois Moulins in Sarzeau, on the Rhuys Peninsula in Brittany, France. Designed by Carmen Maurice Architecture and completed in May 2024, the project marks the architectural culmination of a regional effort to revive viticulture after a 70-year interruption. Wine production in Sarzeau flourished for centuries before disappearing in the 1950s. The local municipality, in partnership with the Parc Naturel Régional du Golfe du Morbihan, initiated a program to restore vineyards within the protected landscape of the Gulf of Morbihan. In 2020, wine growers Guillaume Hagnier and Marie Devine were selected to lead the rebirth of the vineyard at the historic Moulin de Poulor. They planted 25,000 vines, choosing Chardonnay, Chenin, and Cabernet Franc, varieties suited to the peninsula's maritime climate. The architectural brief required more than a technical facility. It demanded a structure that could embody continuity between heritage and contemporary production. The existing mill became the focal point. Rather than compete with it, the new building wraps around the restored stone tower in a semicircular plan. The gesture is both spatial and symbolic. The arc mirrors the cyclical process of winemaking. Function governs the layout. The plan follows a strict north-south sequence from grape reception to bottling and delivery. The building is partially buried, creating a basement level with fermentation rooms, a gravity-fed press, bottle storage, and dry goods areas. The gravity system eliminates mechanical pumping, preserving grape quality and reducing energy consumption. Thick 40-centimeter brick walls provide thermal inertia, removing the need for additional insulation. Underground rooms are finished in raw concrete to withstand intensive cleaning. The exterior expresses a different intention. Lime plaster, produced by a local heritage artisan, incorporates sands from nearby beaches, including shell fragments. The surface shifts in tone with humidity and light, echoing the variability of wine and the coastal atmosphere. The facade maintains a subdued presence, allowing the mill to remain the dominant landmark. Public and private functions are carefully balanced. To the east, enclosed volumes house production. To the west, large openings frame views of neighboring mills and vineyards. The tasting room overlooks the fermentation hall, linking visitors directly to the process. Exhibition areas inside the renovated mill display regional viticultural heritage. The first harvest in 2022 yielded nearly 6,500 bottles labeled Dentalish, Breton for lace, a metaphor for delicacy. Today, the wine storehouse stands as an operational facility and a cultural anchor, uniting landscape, memory, and contemporary architectural precision.